everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are happy and healthy. So dear students, as you can see, today we are going to learn how to write a notice. Okay? So very first let's see what is notice, why we need to write a notice. After that we will learn the format of a notice writing. Okay? So let's see what is notice. It is an important form of written communication. Okay? Notice is an important form of written communication. Okay? To convey information or make announcements. Is it clear? Notice is an important form of written communication. Okay? For what? To convey information or make announcements. Okay? Now further, we use notice individuals as well as organizations. We can use notice by individual or by institutions or organizations. Okay? Is it clear? Okay, so it was the definition of notice. Now see, dear students, whenever you write a notice, okay, you mention all the things in a box. Whenever you write a notice, you will mention all the things in a box that I have drawn. Okay, so very first at the middle of the box, in center, we mention the name of the organization, okay, issuing the notice. Okay, we mention the name of the school, college, organization, or institutes who issue the notice. Is it clear? Okay. After that, you have to leave a line. Just leave a line. Okay. And in center, we mention the word notice. N-O-T-I-C-E in capital letter. We mention notice, and again we leave one line, and then we mention, okay, at the left side of the copy we mention date of issue. Okay, on which date you mention the notice. Okay, so you will mention the date 28 April 2021 in complete form you mention. Okay, after that you can mention time and venue. Okay, if something is going to happen in any specific places, so you will mention the name of venue also. Okay, after that you can mention the subject. Okay, you can mention the subject, and after that subject, after mentioning the subject, we mention the main content. Okay, we mention the main content, and student, this main content should not be more than 2 or 4 lines. Okay, it should be minimum words. Okay, not maximum. The content should be very clear and in very short words. Okay. After that, at last, when we finish the notice writing, at last we mention the name and designation of the persons issuing the notice. Okay, who mention the notice, who issue the notice, we mention the name and the designation of the person. Is that clear? Okay, students. Okay, so I hope you have got these all points about the notice writing. So in the next class, I will make you practice few notice. Okay, so today was the video, and just try to learn the format of the notice writing. Okay, till then take care and enjoy.